Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of an accessory. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package we received from Shopee. It's not Heroclix related per se, but it is related to our favorite character of all time, which, as you guess it, Wolverine. Okay, so you can see here it's a phone case, 12 Pro Max, my current phone. Okay, the one I use to record my videos for this channel. Okay, and I've ordered this online. It finally arrived. So this is Class A. Class A phone case. We can see the holes for the cameras. It's just all black, and at the back we see, of course, Wolverine and X-23's claws pop out. Okay, so we wanted to keep it nice and simple. Quality is, good enough. The image is a little embossed, I guess. Okay, so but we're not gonna show off only this one. I decided to also show you once again my favorite Heroclix of Wolverine. And we begin with from the X-Men Savior School set, the Wolverine Berserker Barrage. Okay, so small scale, but take a look at that effect. Okay, so I hope this gets a legacy treatment soon, perhaps in the Deadpool and Weapon X set for 2024. Crossing fingers, WizKids. And then we of course have the X-Men X-Sword Wolverine wielding Muramasa. Okay, one of the modern Wolverines, one of the latest also. Unique piece, donning a different color costume for Wolverine. And of course, probably for me, the best Wolverine sculpt, Old Man Logan. Old Man Phoenix, rather. Okay. So, Old Man Phoenix, the Chase from House of X, still modern, about to retire this September. Okay. Probably when I post this video, this already retired or almost retired. But you can see his full glory here. Okay, Dark Phoenix enveloping Old Man Logan. Okay. Translucent, of course. I would be wondering what it would actually look like if it was part of the Wheels of Vengeance glow clicks or glow in the dark Heroclix. Can you just imagine the entire Dark Phoenix as a glow in the dark translucent part of this sculpt? That would be extraordinarily, astonishingly, uncanny, awesome. So anyway, so these are the three top Wolverine sculpt for me in celebration of this wonderful phone case. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of how the phone looks like once it's placed in the case. So until next time, everyone, stay safe and stay sharp. Bye bye. Okay, this is our phone case before, translucent, and as you can see, nothing much. But now we have our X-Men themed phone case. Let's go!